I've already met with the director, with PDEA Director Isidro La Peña. Even bago pa na-announce ni Presidente yung pa-stop dito sa mga PNP sa anti-drug operation, because may MOA ang PDEA at saka Armed Forces even before. I-renew lang namin yung MOA kasi based dun sa pronouncement ng Presidente, may mga adjustment kaming gagawin. So even wala pa yung EO na inaantay natin, we are ready to operate with PDEA. PDEA as the main and we are just support. Nag-usap na rin kami na we can start actually doing operation kung meron ng mga target package. But as I said, the armed forces will always be on the support role. And when that EO is approved, kasama din dyan yung training package para sa mga personnel na ma-attach or ma-opcon sa PDEA. There will be an AAP task force that will work with PDEA. Not the whole AAP will be conducting anti-drug operations because our mandate is still to run after the internal threats to national security.
The task force is yet to be created, General?
Yes, it is yet to be created. But in the armed forces, meron na kami actually yung aming task force NOAA. Itong task force NOAA, it's a task force that is designed to weed out the drug users in the armed forces. And at the same time, this is the task force that provide information to PNP, to NBI, to PDEA related to anti-drug operations. But this time, the task force will have its strike force component.